let's move on to question 17, mole concept. All right, in this topic on mole concept, the Avogadro constant states that in every 1 mole, okay, of particle, of gas, or whatever they are given is equivalent to 6 times 10 to the power of 23. Okay, that's a number. Okay, so in this case, number of atoms, right, in 1 mole of H2 gas. Take note, atoms in 1 H2, it consists of 2 H hydrogen atoms. So in which you need to times 2 times 6 times 10 to the power of 23. Okay, so that's for A. How about B? For B, right, 1 mole of helium gas. Take note that helium is what I call a monoatomic gas. Okay, because they are noble gas. Okay, so they exist alone, solo. So in this case, it's just 1 times 6 times 10 to the power of 23. Okay, next one, number of ions. Okay, over here, even of Na plus and Cl minus. Okay, Na plus Cl minus, so there's 2 moles of ions times 6 times 10 to the power of 23. 1 mole, 1 mole. Lastly, number of molecules of 1 mole of oxygen gas. So take note that in this oxygen gas, right, okay, it's O2, okay, times, it's only 1 mole, right, times 6 times 10 to the power of 23. So this is 1 mole, this is 2 moles, this is 2 moles. Okay, take note of this number of electrons. Okay, is 4,2 helium. Okay, this 2 is this 4,2, right? Atomic number and atomic mass taken from the periodic table. So, and this 2, right, consists of 2 electrons. So over here, right, let me finish this. So it's 1 times 6 times 10 over 23 times 2. So if you want it to be equivalent to the Avogadro constant, which is 1 times 6 over 23, you need to use this one. Do you get it correct? Answer is D. Question 17 for you.